It's a Rasta woman, you know? Yeah, Rasta. Oh, them a eat pork and I think you make joke, but me no want no pork. Me no want no pork. Hey, burn out this wine them, me no want no pork. Me say them a eat pork and I think you make joke, but me no want no pork. Hey, me no want no. Hey, me no want no pork. Burn out this wine them, me no want no pork. Oh, bagot yesterday, Rabbi. Burn down I ganja field. But I not say nothing to none of them. I a go burn off with them shoes heel. Hey. Yes, so I'm coming from stage show, you know. I'm going to tell you, I feel mash up, you know. Should I cook some dinner still, though? I never know if I cook, you know, man. Hey, I could have cook a piece of pork still, you know, because they don't have, you know. I never see nobody around the place to go tell back Selassie still a pork. I cook still, you know, I'm sorry for them. So it's time for the pork to get in the oven. Okay, my pork is going in the oven. Also, I washed some potatoes that I'm going to be baking. So these all go straight to the oven. Pork shoulder is done and out of the oven, ready to be served. Pork shoulder is all done. I'm going to sample this. Wow. You may say watch me all you did long time still. Hello, somebody calling? Yes? Hi! Me Nisi, come check. What's up, Nisi?
Good. Front door is closed.
Come.
Okay.
So me Nisi, come check me. This is the little doll where you play with whenever you come over here, you know? Yeah. Pork in my house, girl. Don't say them something there, man. Rasta no deal with pork. You can't smell pork in a my house. Eh? So how your mommy do?
Good.
Yeah, so she said if you come spend the day with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here we are going now still. A pair greens me eat. Cucumber, bell pepper, and chocho and them something. So that I go cook for dinner, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and coconut juice. Yeah. So everything alright though? Yeah man, go and play with the doll while we go and deal with some things for dinner still, you know? Yeah.
Mama, Auntie, can
Yes.
I go to the farm?
Oh, you want to go on my farm?
Yeah.
Alright, now grab my little farm things and come. Yeah man, we'll go on the farm. Oh girl, that's cactus.
Isn't it supposed to be in the hot place?
Yeah man, I tell you, this is Jamaican, it's always hot, you know, tropical. You know this plant?
No? Yummy.
Yeah, this is sorrel, you know? Yeah. And you see the merengue tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, get tall.
I want one.
Yeah, and we have ginger. Don't pick them now! Hey! No man, don't mess up my farm, man.
This is a coconut plant.
Yeah, me need smoke coconut. Hey, but mine me color loose sucker them go. You know, see me color loose on the yeah man, this is a coconut plant, you know? It's a push a root. What about my sister? You come visit me. Alright, come we go in at the house. Now come, we go in the house.
You know me, you don't make me walk in grass, but alright. Okay, let me fix this.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh. Wait a minute, where my earring going? Oh, well, hold on. My earring dropped. My earring gone.
What's that?
My sister loves to throw all them bugs and come around everywhere. My earring must have fallen, yeah, so. She said she a Rasta with pork. Oh, I want one, yes, sir. Sister!
church girl, he in a lot of line, and I can't talk. He in a
Lots of line.
lot of line, you're going a lot of line, a lot of you buy a lot of. You buy a lot about Jesus bless you. You buy a lot of.
With your pork. With your
You
pork.
buy a lot of. You buy a lot of. You buy a lot of line.
With your pork.
Let me talk to her. You buy a lot of. You buy a lot of.
You can't do this to you.
Stop! Auntie Anton, I'm a 5-year-old and I'm not fighting with you, guys. Mommy, Auntie.
Me no like pork, then I take it like Joe. Me no like pork, then I take it like Joe. But me no like your pork.
Yeah, me too.
What can you do with leftover pork? Make a pork sandwich. Make a pork salad. So many things. That's why I like me. I couldn't be a Rastafarian. Because I got to eat my pork. Pork tastes good. Pork is one of the sweetest meat. Hey, I'll tell you something. You have some Christian and find out say sin sweet. And them members say sin sweet. And that's why they stay in a sin. And then, oh Lord of mercy. Don't vex with me now, because I know you may talk. I know you may talk at all. No matter go take it for yourself now. But if I you, who the cap it, let them wear it. I'll tell you something. I know this Rasta woman, she not a cook pork. You know, could that kill her, she a go still cook pork. She just love pork. But when you're a child of God, you can't love sin. You better leave sin alone. You have to walk out and sin sweet. But I tell no lie, sin sweet. Sin sweet. Sin make you feel like you're going around in a merry-go-round. It is nice, but you better leave sin for Christ.